Hey Shockers, are you ready for this exciting alphabet quiz challenge? Let's get started. Name something you see in the sky starting with C. Clouds, comet, constellation. Name a movie genre that starts with a. Action, adventure, animation. Name a famous landmark starting with the letter E. Eiffel Tower, Empire State Building, Edinburgh Castle. Name a common breakfast food starting with O. Omelette, oatmeal, orange juice. Name something people associate with money starting with B. Bank, bills, budget. Name a popular job starting with the letter P. Pilot, police officer, photographer. Name something found in a classroom starting with C. Chair, classroom, chalkboard. Name a popular app starting with the letter I. Instagram, iMessage, IMDb. Name something people often lose starting with K. Keys, keychain, Kindle. Name something cold starting with the letter I. Ice, iceberg, ice cream. Name something you see on roads starting with T. Traffic, truck, traffic lights. Name a word related to sleep starting with D. Dream, doze, drowsy. Name something people check every morning starting with P. Phone, planner, profile. Name a weather-related word starting with S. Sunny, storm, snow. Name something people carry daily starting with B. Bag, bottle, backpack. Name something related to technology starting with A. App, AI, algorithm. Name something found in parks starting with B. Bench, birds, bicycle. Name something associated with speed starting with F. Fast, flash, formula. Name something people do online daily starting with C. Clicking, commenting, chatting. Name something people wear in winter starting with S. Sweater, scarf, socks. Name something found in offices starting with D. Desk, documents, drawer. Name something people celebrate starting with B. Birthday, bonus, breakthrough. Name something people do to relax starting with M. Meditation, massage, mindfulness. Name something related to creativity, starting with the letter S. Sketching, sculpting, storytelling. Name something seen at beaches starting with S. Sand, sun, surfboard. Name something people forget easily starting with N. Names, numbers, notes. Name something heard in busy cities starting with H. Horns, hustle, helicopter. Name something related to success starting with G. Goals, growth, grit. Name something used every day starting with P. Phone, pen, password. Name something people drink in mornings starting with C. Coffee, cappuccino, cold brew. Name something you find in kitchens starting with S. Sink, stove, spoon. Name something people watch online starting with V. Videos, vlogs, video games. Name something used for travel starting with P. Passport, plane, packing. Name something people post online starting with S. Stories, selfies, status. Name something people do before sleeping starting with R. Reading, relaxing, reflecting. Name something people buy online starting with C. Clothes, chargers, cosmetics. Name something people use for fitness starting with T. Treadmill, trainer, training app. Name something people enjoy on weekends starting with M. Markets, mountains, museums. Name something people save on phones starting with P. Photos, passwords, preferences. Name something people use daily for writing starting with key. Pen, pencil, planner. How many did you get? Comment your score, hit like, and try the next quiz.